Do a short video here this morning. Kind of cold, it's only about 28. But Sunday morning about 7, where the clocks went back. I guess we gained an hour. But those are the trusses we set yesterday. Not a lot of them. We had a lot of figuring to do and how to get them in here with power lines there and power lines there. I think it's going to get harder as we go out. But we'll give it another whirl today. See how we go. It is pretty big. It'd be nice to have all that storage up there. Plus a whole big shop. Our shop is bigger than the main floor of our house. That's okay though. Maybe we'll spend more time in the shop goofing off. But this is how it's going. Just waiting on the guys. They probably won't be here for another couple hours. Let the sun come up and thaw some of the frost off things. The worst thing that happened this morning is this machine right here. I know I turned it off last night. And I'm just hoping one of the other guys got the key. Because I can't find it. I've looked for it for about 30 minutes. And it's nowhere around. So let's just hope that turns out better. But anyhow, I got my fire going here. I'm gonna sit down and have my first cup of coffee out here, then start cutting some boards. At the right spacing up there so we don't have to measure when we nail that top board up there on the truss. I'll cut them exactly 25.5 so we don't have to get out a tape measure. That goes from the outer edge to outer edge, and we just shoot them down. But yeah, pretty high up there, and they're 300 pounds a piece. That one we sheeted and stuff, I'll bet it was 1,000 pounds. And then the second truss, the double, was 600 pounds. So the weight gets there, but the machine can handle it. But it's like, if you got screwed it a half an inch, half an inch is a lot. Okay, well, I'm going to sit down and enjoy my coffee. Maybe I'll film some more later.
I need my board.
We're still putting up trusses. We set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we've already set as many as we set yesterday. We still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have to climb all the way up there. Randy has to climb. And unhook the strap. So there's no way to quick release it or nothing. It's just up in the air. Things are getting tight in here. Power lines are still not too far away. So we've got all these phone lines, we got them held up over here. And we got them held up over there. So the farther we get out, the tighter it's going to get. So we figured something out.
Well, time's getting short and we gotta go. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Oh, in case you forgot, remember to subscribe. See you later. Bye.